Hello and welcome to INBAC. Friends, today we have a very interesting topic to discuss. Hope you have already watched our panel discussion, which was on the topic driving sustainable and smart buildings in India. Well, today we will be discussing about two crucial points out of many more discussed during the webinar. So let's get started with me, Adrija, your learning buddy. Smart buildings have several definitions and varies when referred from the perspective of different stakeholders. However, to sum it up, we might define it as a building that provides a productive and cost-effective environment through optimization of its four basic components: structure, systems, services, and management, and the interrelationships between them. Cities today contain 50% of the world's population, consume 75% of the global energy, and emit 80% of global greenhouse emissions. A survey suggests by 2050, smart buildings will be home to 70% of the world population. Cities face urban challenges of an unprecedented scale. Scarcity of resources such as energy, water, environmental pressure and pollution, aging and overloaded infrastructure. In this challenging time, our objective is to have buildings meet all the above needs and sustain as well. To set that right, there are 5 approaches to be taken that would make your building smart and sustainable. Setting the vision right, that would be the first point. Bringing in technology. Third, working on integration. Fourth, adding innovation. Fifth, driving collaboration. Now, one may wonder what are the collective goals one wants to achieve through a connected building. Well, a smart building must connect building systems, connect people and technology, connect to the global environment, connect to smart power grid, and finally, connect to an intelligent future. What do you feel about it? In the context of designing a building, there are 3 O's whose perspectives have to be understood well. First is owner or building owner. Next is operators who run the functionalities of the building. And third O will be the occupants. A building owner is one of the most important stakeholders. He always has his stakes in the building throughout the life cycle of the building. Efficient PMS design, correct implementation of it, resulting in occupant improvement, reduction of energy consumption, and thereby improving operational costs are the key aspects which he will be interested in. And operators' main concerns will be seamless integration of various subsystems installed in the building that would provide him with correct data of the functionalities that would eventually provide occupant satisfaction. The building's features should also consist of being cyber smart and secure. An occupant would always aspire to experience a comfortable and safe stay inside the building. A comfortable indoor environment consisting of fresh indoor air, optimum indoor temperature, safe surroundings will top the list of any occupant. All these functionalities and processes should be there in a smart building. Smartness of the building varies with the individual needs of these 3 O's. But if the perspectives of these 3 O's are taken into account and the building tries to function well, ensuring to attain energy optimization, cost optimization, and occupant improvement, then it will be a smart and sustainable building in the process. Sustainability of smart spaces can also be defined by 4 P's. First P would definitely be the planet. To develop spaces which doesn't disturb the environment, for example, obstruction of water bodies, flow of rainwater, pollute air and soil. Instead, we must nurture it in every possible way. Second P stands for people. Are people enjoying the space equitably? This question must be thought of before designing a building. Is it inclusive, or some people take away the benefits at the cost of others? That should also be taken into account. Next P is the place itself. Is the building disturbing the traditional ethos, the value system of the place? Is it going to turn the city into concrete jungle? The city might have historical and cultural value. These things must not be endangered. These are various major questions the building owner and the facility manager must think about. And last but not the least, P stands for profit. The whole activity of the development of building should create value and wealth equitably. Economy should prosper in the long run. This forms a wholesome approach towards sustainability. What do you think? Does the 3 O's and the 4 P's form a holistic approach for a building to be smart and sustainable? INBAC has always been championing the cause of interoperable, data-driven, connected, energy-efficient, and secure smart spaces. Open protocols based on ISO-based standards prepares the ground for sustainable and smart spaces. Indian building automation market is thriving, and industry stalwarts and visionaries have been successfully paving the future of sustainability of smart buildings in India. The objective of INBAC is to bring ISO-based global standardization to India so that Indian products are globally acceptable and pass on the benefits to its end users, builders, consultants, industries, and various government initiatives. INBAC leverages its strong connects worldwide to adopt various standards available and in use internationally. A special thanks to our esteemed panelists who highlighted many fascinating facts regarding sustainable and smart buildings in India. I have taken inspiration from Ashwin Isjanskar's talk, who is a renowned building automation expert, and from renowned industry veteran, Dr. Sudhir Krishna's talk. I'm sure if we can actually start implementing their thought processes, then our buildings will definitely become sustainable. On that note, I will be ending this session. Follow us on YouTube to watch more such content-rich videos on building automation specific to Indian building automation market. See you all next week. Take care. Bye-bye.